Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will create a Gmail account. We are creating a Gmail account because AdSense is a service from Google and they require that you have an email account, Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo or any other account, but for fast accepting from Google, I prefer that you make a Gmail account so that we can use it later in our YouTube channel if we want to make money using AdSense and YouTube. So it would be better to create a Gmail account even if you have a Hotmail or Yahoo account. So let's start by going to gmail.com. Gmail. Okay, that's it, the easy and simplicity of Gmail available across devices. Let's click here, create an account. As you can see, this is straightforward. You have to fill here the information and choose your account details. Choose a password. Okay, let's change that to, you have to keep trying until you have a valid username. Choose your username. This is your first name, last name. Let's remove that dot. Okay, it's not working. Okay, now it's working. Add your birthday, add your gender, your mobile number for security, and your current email address. Let's say that you want to protect this account using another email address that you have. You can write a Yahoo Hotmail account for better protection. Now that you filled in all the details, click next step, privacy and terms. Okay, say I agree. Now it's asking me to verify my account using my mobile number. I will enter my mobile number here and they will text message me my verification code. This is a very straightforward process, so I will pause the video and do it, then come back since it might take up to 5 minutes to receive that code. You can do it directly. Choose your country, then write your mobile number here and click on text messages or voice call, whatever you like, then click on continue. Okay, now I activated my account. You should enter this email account here, then click next. Okay, let's see. Then click next and enter your password, then sign in. This is your inbox for Gmail account, as you can see here. That's it. If you arrive to this point, then you have a Gmail account that is activated using your mobile number, and you are good to go to the next lesson, in which we will start creating our AdSense account. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't go to the next lesson unless you have a Gmail account. Please apply. Don't continue watching until or unless you created your own Gmail account, because it's needed in the next step or the next lecture. This is Moneymakers team. Happy learning.